Okay, so let's take a look at how you can detect the language in Google Sheets. So first thing, let's see, I have 3 different languages embedded into these cells. So what I want Google Sheet to do is I want to detect these languages. So what I will do is I will pick one of the empty cell and type in detect language and then pass on see my one of the cell. So I will select the A2 and then I will simply hit enter, right? And let's see, notice that it will return with the code ES. So if we check ES, that would be, let's say, Spanish, right? So it is returning the short code for that language, right? Similarly, let's say if I choose this particular sentence out of the paragraph in one of the cell, and if I run the formula, say equals to detect language, then within double quotes I put that statement there, and notice that it will search and again check for code FR. So if we do the FR, it will show you it is French, right? Similarly, let's say if we remove these formulas and give it the option to detect multiple cell, so from A2 to A4 I want it to detect the language, right? And let's see what it will return to me, right? So first it will detect Spanish and later it doesn't detect anything or post anything at all, right? So what we can do in that case is can select these cells, right, and up to this part we can select, right, and then we will use detect language and then use A2 to A4. Let's try to find out. It will tell you that this is Italian, then this is French, and this is Spanish, right? So we find out multiple ways to use detect language function. In first method we use reference to cell, then in second we passed on a sentence, third we give it multiple cell, then selected the empty cell to put the output, and then we managed to get the output for the detection of languages within those cells. So we managed to use detect language function in Google Sheets.